Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic. Diet to treat anemia adequately. It is a condition in which the body does not have enough red blood cells. This can cause a number of symptoms such as fatigue, paleness, shortness of breath and dizziness. Proper nutrition provides the body with the elements necessary to make new red blood cells full of hemoglobin. There are two types of iron, heme iron and non-heme iron. Foods rich in heme iron are the best source of iron for the body. It can be found in foods of animal origin. It is the one that is easily absorbed, making it ideal for people with anemia. Some examples of foods rich in heme iron are seafood, clams, cockles, mussels, oysters. Red meat, beef, pork, lamb. Poultry, chicken, turkey. Fish, tuna, salmon, sardines. Foods rich in non-heme iron are also a good source, but they are not absorbed by the body as easily as heme iron. For this reason, strict vegetarians often suffer from anemia due to malnutrition. To improve the absorption of non-heme iron, it is important to consume it together with acidic foods rich in vitamin C. Some examples of foods rich in non-heme iron are legumes, lentils, chickpeas, beans. Green leafy vegetables, spinach, chard, watercress. Nuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachios. Fortified cereals, breakfast cereals, bread. Vitamin C helps improve the absorption of non-heme iron. Therefore, it is important to consume foods rich in vitamin C along with foods rich in non-heme iron. Some examples of foods rich in vitamin C are citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits. Kiwi. Peppers. And tomatoes. In addition to eating a diet rich in iron, there are other things you can do to prevent anemia. Avoid excessive consumption of coffee and tea. Coffee and tea can interfere with iron absorption. Cast iron kitchen. Cast iron cookware can increase the iron content of foods. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help increase red blood cell production. Women of childbearing age are more likely to suffer from anemia due to menstruation. Therefore, it is important for women of childbearing age to pay special attention to their diet and ensure they consume foods rich in iron. Anemia is a common condition that can be prevented and treated with a healthy diet. If you have symptoms of anemia, it is important that you consult a doctor to make a diagnosis and recommend the appropriate treatment. If I have answered your question, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Your help allows us to reach more people. If you have any questions or want to ask a question, you can leave a comment and we will be happy to respond. Thank you for your attention, and until next time.